iPhone 7 screen repairs at Mobile Links E13. It is quite understandable that everyone would want the best service at the best affordable price while buying a product or service. In the case of mobile phone repairs, it is also the same. People would definitely like to get the best repairs for the various problems of their phone. These days we can see people often crack the screens of the phone like iPhones, either by an accidental drop unknowingly or by their kids while playing around in the home. We can fix any iPhone screens instantly at our shop in East London E13 area, Plaistow. Let it be any iPhone like iPhone 5, 5S, 5C, iPhone 6, iPhone 7, iPhone 8, iPhone 11, iPhone XS or iPhone XS Max. Just walk into our shop and get your broken iPhone screen instantly. We offer the best price for quality parts of iPhone and other smartphones at our shop. We can do iPhone 7 screen replacement repair in just 30 minutes in an affordable price at our shop, Mobile Links, in East London, E13 8HJ, UK, no fix, no fee. We offer very high quality screens and LCDs for iPhones, Samsung, HTC, Huawei and many other phones at the best price compared to the market in East London. Got an iPhone 7 broken screen, display? Repair from us in just 30 minutes and get a peace of mind warranty in all our repair works. We also offer free tempered glass for any iPhone 7 screen repairs. Replace your broken screen at the best price within 30 minutes. Therefore, just pop into our shop Mobile Links with your phone at 396 Barking Road, East London E13, 8HJ and get it fixed today instantly by our expert technicians. No fix, no fee. Fix from us at our shop, Mobile Links, and get a peace of mind warranty for 30 days. Visit Mobile Links, phone 02036898083 www.mobilelinks.co.uk.